Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Nothing Phone 1. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. From here find the app called Notify Buddy. Now select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you'll be able to open it. From here, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for this app. First one is phone permission, simply allow it. Next one is overlay permission, find Notify Buddy and allow display over the other apps. The last one is notification permission, do the same thing. And battery optimization is optional, you don't need to disable it unless app doesn't work properly. Move to the next step, click OK, and from here we can start using the app. So choose any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for, and in this case let's select Minecraft. In system you can find all system bound apps, so here let's go for calendar. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, color, whatever you want. Now let's click on the test, and right here we'll be able to see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.